Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Ottocast portable motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto, the model Lite C5 with touchscreen. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. User manual. Now let's see one by one what accessories we have at the box. The installation kit, screws, screwdriver and everything you need to install this display at your motorcycle or bicycle if you want, why not? The bracket, adjustable, use this Allen key, loosen the screw and you can adjust it up and down. I will show you later how you can install this at the handlebar. One sun visor for the display, 3M tape, the power cable, you need to connect this cable at your battery, positive and negative, from 12 to 24 volts. And here we have 3 amp fuse. You can replace it if that is necessary for your safety. I like that. Seal it very well. And at the other end you can connect the display. The total length of this cable is 2 meters, another 40 centimeters, so you have total 2.4 meters. Or if you want, you can use this cable and power on the display from a 5 volt. In my case right now, just to show you how you can use this device, I will power it on from a 5 volt. It is more convenient to show you how it works here rather after installing at my bike. Here we have 4 buttons. Later I will show you how you can use these buttons. And at the back here you can install the mounting kit. It will help you to install the bracket that it goes here. We have these 3 soft pads. It will help to absorb any aggressive movements with your motorcycle. So we need to install them here. Perfect. And now I need to use these 3 screws. Don't over tie it with these 3 screws. Insert here. I just forgot to install this hex nut. Goes at the back. Press. And it is very tight. And then use the Allen key. Perfect. And we have movement. 5-inch IPS high brightness display with a built-in microphone and speaker here, and with IPX7 waterproof rating and the sun-resistant design, it performs flawlessly in heavy rain, together with a sun visor. You can install that here with these two small screws. Later I will do that. And we have another two screws here. It is a cover. Let's remove the cover. Oh, there it is. Nice metal cover. And inside we have the micro SD slot. Let me try to remove that. Seal it very well. Nice. And Type-C port here. It is tight. And you can connect up to 128 GB micro SD card. And from the Type-C, connect a cable for transferring data. If you don't want to use the Type-C port, seal it very well with these silicone pads for waterproofing and this metal cover. The included waterproof power box can supply from 12 volt to 30 volt and with an output 5 volt 2 amp. So let's turn it on with a power bank. No worries, it will work. Welcome! Now from the main screen you can adjust the volume, the brightness, maximum, settings, screensaver, off 1, 3 or 5 minutes, volume again, low, medium or high, language, time setting, it will sync automatically later when I will connect it to my smartphone, time format 12 or 24 hours, phone audio off or on, key volume off or on, boot sound off or on, Wi-Fi switch the same, reset factory and the version. That is all the settings for this display, and you can choose Android Auto or CarPlay. Bluetooth, it is on. You can rename. With this button home here you can go back, or the other button, press and hold, turn it off. Press once, it will turn on. And with my smartphone I need this, the F603A pair, Android Auto, confirm, connected. I have done that. Welcome to Android Auto. Continue. And it's playing music. Of course, if you're using Android Auto on your smartphone, you know how it works. We have the main screen, some apps from my smartphone, the signal, the hour we can see here, calendar, no event, game, we have some games, okay, maps, it is very accurate, messages, you can view the messages, you can play or reply, messenger, no new messages during this drive, okay, news, technology, business,
Production. An encouraging end to the month for Aussie stocks, and what did today's inflation...
I like the sound. Phone, you can dial and call, or you can just say call this number. Contacts, recent, favorites, reminder.
What's the title?
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I hope you're doing well too. If I can help with anything, Just ask.
Okay, and you can add a title. Music. Settings. Some settings for the Android Auto. Smart things, Spotify. You can play music. Viper.
Who do you want to message?
Okay, nice. Weather.
Currently it's 21 degrees and partly cloudy. Tonight, the forecast is for a high of 19 and a low of 11 and clear.
And you can customize. I like the response. Fair response. And you can exit. Now let's move on, install this on my handlebar. Its removable anti-theft design and easy mounting system make it a practical choice for various motorcycle models. Easy installation and compatibility with Bluetooth helmets and headsets adds to its appeal. Pro tip: set your route before drive. Touch controls work best when stopped. If you want smartphone connectivity without compromising safety, this touchscreen hub is a game changer for riders. Perfect for touring riders needing navigation, commuters wanting music calls, adventure bikers exploring off-grid, any motorcyclist prioritizing focus. And that concludes our review of the Ottocast Android Auto CarPlay Lite C5. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, sun-resistant design, and seamless wireless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for hands-free calling, music streaming, and navigation prompts, it offers a compelling solution for drivers seeking enhanced connectivity on the road. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. Have you already tried it? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you.
Do you want to send a message?
If you're interested in picking up, I've left a link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I see you next time.